In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to Apple Calendar. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflow, better organize your schedule, or just ensure that all your important dates and tasks are in one place. Following this guide will help you seamlessly integrate the two platforms. This process is simple and effective, so let's dive right in. First, to begin the process, navigate to your Notion workspace. Once there, you'll want to locate your profile name, which is conveniently situated at the top left corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on your profile name. This will open up a range of options relating to your account, settings, and overall configuration. After clicking on your profile, the next step is to access the settings. Look for the Settings option in this menu and click on it. This is crucial as it will open up a new series of options that will enable you to manage how your Notion account interacts with other applications. Now that you have accessed the settings, your next move is to find the section labeled Mail and Calendar. This is where the magic happens, and it contains the necessary tools to connect your calendar applications. Click on Mail and Calendar to proceed. Doing this will take you to a more specific area of the settings dedicated to email and calendar integrations. In this new section, you will see an option labeled Connected Calendar. This is the feature that allows Notion to link with your calendar applications, such as Apple Calendar. So find and click on Connected Calendar to start the integration process. Once you have accessed the Connected Calendar section, you will see an action prompt, usually called Get Started. Click on Get Started to initiate the connection. This kicks off the linking process, paving the way for Notion and Apple Calendar to work together. As you proceed, you'll see the option to continue with iCloud. Since Apple Calendar is part of the iCloud ecosystem, you'll want to choose this option to ensure you are linking the correct calendar. Click on Continue with iCloud to move forward. Once you've clicked this, you'll be directed to follow on-screen